Hello everyone, here I'm telling you the installation procedure of this pandas. We can install this pandas in our system in the two ways, by using the pip and by using the kunda as well. You can follow either the way that is your wish. So to install this pandas in our system, just open your anaconda prompt, just like this. Let me show you. This is the anaconda prompt. So here my system name is Dell. So whatever the system name that you have depends on that one only. Your system name will display here. So once you open your Anaconda prompt, then type pip install. Let me click on enter. Automatically, the pandas library will install in your system. Right? If you don't want to go with a pip, then you can go with a kunda. Kunda install pandas. See, let me type that one as well. Kunda install. By using this way also you can install the pandas. I already installed the pandas, so that is the reason it is showing requirement already satisfied. If you haven't installed that app pandas in your system, then it will download some files into your system automatically. By itself it can install. You don't need to install that one. Just type this command in your Anaconda prompt. That's it. Right? It is still taking the data from the internet. Yes, okay. Anyway, I hope you already know about this installation of these pandas. If you don't want to go with this way, then directly you can open your Jupyter notebook. You can open your Jupyter notebook and here just exclamatory mark. First start with the exclamatory and later pip install pandas you can specify. Pip install pandas you can specify. Just execute it automatically. It will execute all these things. Automatically it will install the pandas library into our system. If you go this way, you can open your Jupyter notebook and type the content like this, exclamatory mark, pip install pandas. What else you can go with the Anaconda prompt and type pip install pandas or else kunda install pandas. This is the way. In this way only you can install our pandas. Right? I hope you understand about the installation procedure of these pandas. That's it for now. We can connect later for new topics.